Me bust me gun.
Oh, the blood. Oh, the blood. This is not good. That's
So, fuck with me.
Nobody can help me, Nobody can help me,
Alright. Can cap up my thing, bro. Pour on me the Jayden. Me know every location where you're there, Derek Morgan. Every location, come on, I want to be good slap, you know. I shoot the school of youth.
A good thing me did in high studio still. God, yo, may I get corrupt? I just time put out my fucking mind.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Tea Time with T. In today's video, we'll talk about Valiant having a potential relationship with Stalk Ashley. Also, Vybz Kartel and Sidem having an indoor party, jamming and vibing to their own tune, having a ball. We will have Jaden and Shalam going at it and a couple more clips. But before we get into it, if this is your first time on my channel, make sure you like this video, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on the latest updates, and stay tuned. Now, the other day, Stalk Ashley went on The Fix and they asked her if her and Valiant are in a relationship. She said no, they're just friends. So when we see Valiant made a post saying, so just go on. So we're like, what is going on? So we run go over Stalk Ashley page and she put up and did all caps. If you remember, Cardi B and Offset, you know, were having their beef the other day, and when Offset accused Cardi B of cheating, she said and did, and at that Ashley put up. So we said, what go on your son? I thought they were just friends. Anyways, people in the comments were saying this is a publicity stunt because we'll keep on us and our friends. So what is this about? Anyway, shortly after, Valiant posted a preview of a clip of a new song. Listen to this and tell me what you think.
And the man there for fucking hard. You ain't even telling me if you love me or what. Tired for day, I just have mislead people. You more and the world will see too. The first time I wiki.
After that, Stalk Ashley posted this song in response to Valiant. Check this out.
If my mind ever fuck a gal, Papa me, I do him like Cardi. If you never remember cheap on him, then me, I do it like Cardi. He better not do nothing what he not supposed to do, I'm a man. Whoa, so now fuck up with the wrong one. Got me in the fear to catch up.
Do you guys think this is a publicity stunt? Are they together on the sites? Let me know what you think in the comment section. Last night, the king of the dancehall and his fiance were dancing up a storm and playing music. Sidem gave a show last night. Yeah, Kartel joined into while he was doing his hair. Sidem even did a take Kartel here and I pretend to have a gun. I said, me bust my gun. It's fun to see them chilling like this, and all the while we have to go outside, drink your rum, play music while we're in a fall and staying with your boo. Check this out.
Yeah.
Me bust me gun.
Oh, the blood. Oh, the blood. This is not good. That's
So, fuck with me.
yeah. Another song there. Bombo class. What's that look for? Get the girl the ear. Take up your thing, man. Take up your grapefruit juice. Let out a jail, remember that. Bob. Sidem, you know, get the ear.
She wants some of my gun.
Put the blood clot, so an ear gun. Give them the dance, so. Bust the dance, so. Give them the dance. Bob clot, one Gaza, one Sidem.
After that, them posted the video, people were commenting on the video, and Sidem wrote, "Whoa, baby, learn from the white girl, ha ha ha." Like she said, our man learned to dance from him or whatever. She's just trolling, right? But then Vybz Kartel comment and say, "Preggers by the black man." And then it brings me back to a video that they posted when Kartel say, "Sidem a drink bay water for a night when they got Dolly Sundays." And then last night, she was just drinking grape juice. I mean, even when you're pregnant, doctors say you can only drink 1 glass of wine every day. So is Sidem really pregnant or then just a joke? Tell me what you guys think about this in the comment section. So I saw this on the net where a pastor is being protected by the church members and the community because he's nice. They don't believe that he is charged. He's capable of doing grape. Take off the G. Like what? Check out this news.
Sympathy in Santa Bay, Hanover, where a church leader was charged last week with 7 counts of rape. The police have not released the church leader's name, but residents of Barnes Lane are divided on the issue. TVJ's Kirk Wright reports.
We went to Barnes Lane where the church leader was arrested and discovered the people there and those from surrounding areas have plenty to say about his arrest, just not on record. One thing's for sure, the community seemed to know him well enough to share details about his activities in the community, which we won't mention here. We're also told the church leader goes by 3 names, none of which we will mention at this time. But for the most part, many were very protective of him, saying he's a kind and good man. Others condemned the alleged actions for which he has been charged. The community has also given the impression that there's much more to the church leader's arrest. They argue that the police need to dig deeper, and some believe that more arrests need to be made. People who say they had frequent contact with him say he's very mannerly, explaining that he would never pass them without sharing pleasantries.
If any of these allegations are true, I feel like they should, the community should lock him up or let the police arrest him. But let me tell me what you guys think about this in the comment section. Now, Shalam and Jayden got into it the other day, and they had a falling out online. But check this out.
Swear up your life.
Listen, God me box me blood clear self Jayden. Me build my mother house out of Jayden. As me, you want me come out and swear and joke off in the water and broke my neck. Me use the one of me don't plate mother, but me make off a chicken and build my mother house. You see I go reach up in a ashy place? Me build my mother house and live a different yard. Me and my son.
Swear up your life.
Listen, God boss me, God me box me blood clear self as me have to it. Jayden. Me not a clown, bro. That's what me I say, bro. That's what me I say, bro. Me come in there and listen. You remember your yard where you live up at Angels? Runner, phase 2. Me no remember what number they pay your house. Me swear, bro. Me send me good around there. You know something like bro. Me must have make him. Oh, you move? Why you think you move?
Me no move call on you.
Why you move then? The school and stop the capping. This is serious. Yo, hold on. Stop it nice. Yo, me not add for no capping in there, bro. Me not add for capping no.
Bro, me not cap, bro.
That's how I make it look like, bro. Yeah, make it look like a cap, yeah, cap. Remember something I do with the capping, bro.
Yo, guru.
Listen, what I not talk nothing more. Remember we not play the match. No, we not give no racing now go on. Me not a reason up and a right. Remember me not hard people for my life, bro. A reason me, bro. I break time to see the puss now. I wish for a forum this day now. You want me drive come here yard right now, show you there. You want me to make money? Since I see I cap you, I want to cap you out. If you want me drive come here yard.
Forward.
How much money you have?
You know that Breton.
Me say how much money you have?
Me have 50,000 now, for me.
Yeah, cap man. Stop the capping, bro. A serious match, man.
50,000 for me now.
You want me to take it down? You want to come down? Can we not play the match, you know? You want to come down?
Nobody can come down.
Alright. Can cap out my thing, bro. Boy, me there, Jayden. Me know every location where you're there, Derek Morgan. Every location, because I want to be good slap, you know. I shoot the school of youth. I shoot you at the school of youth. Yeah, well, I get cap. We not playing the match, you still a cap. We not playing the match, bro. We not playing the match, bro. We not playing the match, bro. Me just a give you energy because I know you want energy for trend, bro. Because down of them a winner, bro. I'm not glad me liquid down of them, bro. Me not rank, bro. Me not rank, you know, bro. That's clear. You come for me thing with bag of dub. Bro, me build my mother house. Bro, my mother just come from foreign, bro. See me watch up on me, man. Me not wear them. My mother give me a water in it right now. Because I swim it. Be a diamond, bro. Me not cap, bro. I want to know that. Me not do capping. Me not beg for the internet for capping, bro. Yeah, come and tell me. I want to tell that. I pity them here talk about you. Me not present. Me say no match, bro. You come and joke out me thing. Remember, me not add people, dog. And yeah, looking at your yard, you know, where you see me serious. I talk about Ray. But me, you know me pull up on your yard, bro. Me know every location where the Jayden. I must out of Panistown. I told me I want to talk at that number, bro. You have people by your life, bro, every day. Rosalie them and them, nobody and them people. I want to tell you, now the school of I capping, bro. Because you know, son of line, I tell you. You know, something that cap, bro. And the reason with you as a little youth come, you know internet. And you still, you come like you go far, you want to clown out the blood clot. You know, so clown out till you can't stay seriously 1 second. You can't stay seriously a minute, bag. Everything I'm doing, I'm moving up to man bumbo class. That's why I'm waiting now. Because everything, I'm looking at juvenile, let me send on the yard, cause story up, and the people they say, you are threat to a place, you know. And you get notice. I want to know, I'm talking to business, dog. I mean, I push no badness. And you see when I say, bet me, pussy. I mean, no, bro, I said, where you go. Can't cap in. Easy, dog.
Tell me what you guys think about this in the comment section. That's it for now. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe to the channel if this is your first time here. Do me a favor and leave a like on this video, and I'll see you next time. Bye.